CTU is a premier multidisciplinary technological university and is one of the colleges here in Cebu that offers free tuition to the students. CTU is convenient, they provide great opportunities and good quality education too.
Good afternoon. We'll start our interview right now. Be ready and good luck. Yes, sir.
First thing, tell me about yourself.
My name is Albert John. I came from Davao City.
Hi sir, good afternoon. My name is Cleven Lloyd Pascavillo and I am from Dandantayan, Cebu. I am a working student there.
So I'm Lawrence Socolara, 19, and I live in Dasagal, the city.
I'm Christopher Messina, 19 from Bohol. Though I'm from Bohol, I want to study here at Cebu Technological University because it gives free education for all.
So good afternoon sir, my name is Daryl Dublin Hulbuena. I'm 17 years old still and I came from a very poor family. I lived in a province called Danbantayan. I have 4 brothers. My mother, sadly, she passed away. My father is just only a janitor in a certain school. And I have 1 brother who has a Down syndrome. And approximately, sir, our income per year is only about for 50,000 a year. So that's pretty.
Also gives quality education that molds students' skills and capability, that uses proper training in using different and effective facilities that provides and enhance and develop students' field of expertise. Thank you, sir.